Does anybody remember these old gas pumps? This is when gas pumps were reliable.
It said skydive in the front of the plane that crashed.
Oh. First time here?
Nope, traveling.
Okay.
Long time ago.
Well, it was a long time ago. Oh, so it's much bigger. It's outside.
Yeah, it is much bigger. Actually, it's our third time.
If you follow and stay to the right, you go all the way through and you won't miss anything.
Okay.
But I think now we're in the process of switching out the exhibit. So unfortunately, the hot rods are gone and they're being replaced by the Ford sports cars, which the exhibit isn't ready, so you can't go through it. But you can stop and you can still see it, but we won't have a little explanation.
Okay.
And there is a guide out there. I mean, it's self-paced and everything has a storyboard. But if you have any questions, there's a great guide out there that can answer those.
Okay.
And just enjoy.
Yeah, thanks. I thought there was more than one in there.
Yeah, I did too.
I
Yeah.
thought we read that last time that there was more than one. Syracuse, I know had quite a few.
Syracuse was making electric cars back in 1900.
And so was Bronx, Ford Electric. Brooklyn had electric too. Rockaway even had.
Huh.
Sweaters. Wow. Now this is an American classic. 22 horsepower. Can you imagine driving around in this car? Wow, what a classic. Yeah, 1937, official convertible, 100 horsepower. factory price. Look at that price. Imagine buying a brand new car for $1,000. This car is very similar to what you see on ZZ Top music videos. I see too good inside it. Just a little two-seater. And here you got the seat in the back. Quite like something. Not sure if you can read it, but that says the small tank seen on the running boards of these vehicles, right there, contains acetylene gas. It is the fuel source for the headlamps. Series A, 25 horsepower, $1,800. So this car in 1910 was more than the Buick. Look at those headlamps. And the headlamps ran on acetylene gas. And you can see the gas line right there. Firestone. That's some car. Imagine driving down Black River Boulevard in this thing. Something. Notice how the cars, they used acetylene gas to power up the headlamps. This is pretty cool. (1921) 7-passenger touring, 6-cylinder, 31 horsepower. 4,000 cars manufactured, only 4 known survivors. Everybody remembers the Studebakers. Fascinating. Studebaker. 1927 Studebaker. Model S, engine, factory price.